Yo Flex fam, what's going on? I'm back with another video, and today we have a package right here. I'm very excited for this, and it's from Saru Generel. I bought a used sneaker there from Babe. It's my first Babe pickup ever, so I'm very excited for this, as I said. And yeah, it's a used sneaker, a Babe Star, for 50 quid. So that's not much. I opened it a bit, so I had a close look in there, and yeah, but I have not seen the sneaker yet, and oof, I'm very excited for this, man. I don't know if these fit me. It's an 8, I guess, so it could run a bit small, but yeah, I expected that, but the price was exceptional, like £50 for a used pair. He said condition E, I guess, so it means it's 8 out of 10 or 7 out of 10. So I mean they are used, so the expectations are not that high. I hope they just don't fall apart. That's I guess my expectations, but yeah, so let's open this thing. So let's go. I think we open it right here. So I assume there's no shoebox in there. They are used. I would really like to see how a Babe shoebox looks, but I guess that's not part of the used sneaker deal. So here we have this custom wrap paper. Pretty cool. It reminds me of Louis Vuitton, obviously. That's cool. And there we go. They now have stickers, or they had them before. That's pretty cool. So we don't need the box anymore. And we have this. So we're gonna unwrap them. Oh, I'm sorry for that. Yeah. So Saru Generel is releasing pretty cool used shoes every week. I do not get paid for this, and I paid the whole price myself, so this is an objective. Yeah, this is my point of view of the shoes, and we're gonna open them so you can see it's wrapped pretty good. So let's go, and there we go. There we have the Babe Stars. Whew. Okay, so these are clearly used, but that's okay. I mean, they are a bit cracking, and I don't want to have my floor or my my carpet with all this fake snake skin. But they are cool, and they look a bit small. That's a concern of mine. But there you go. The sole is in pretty good shape, and that's the first one. You can see here, there's the used one, obviously. I mean, that's okay, they're used. So, I guess that's the deal, and I mean 50 quid. So, more wrapping paper, and there we go. These are the Babe Stars, and yeah, the condition is good. I mean, of course, it's used, so I don't complain about that. And yeah, I will put them on feet now. Let's go. So I'm back, and I put them on feet, and I'm not gonna lie, they are pretty cool. I always wanted a pair of Babe Stars that I can beat up, and these are beat up, so I don't need to beat them up, and I don't feel sorry for my money, because Babe Stars are fucking expensive. They cost like 250 euros retail, which is expensive for a pair of sneakers, and this is kind of cool. They look nice. These are the katakana, I guess, because they have these Japanese writings right there. I hope you can see. So I would give these purchase a 5 out of 5. I mean, the delivery was kind of long, but I live in Germany and Saru Generel is in the UK, so that's totally okay. And yeah, good experience overall. The shoes are exactly like on the images, so no horrible surprise there. And yeah, that's cool. So the drops are on Sunday, so if you're looking for some steals, I would recommend to see there, because 50 quids for them, I mean, it's a pair of shoes. What can you get for 50 quids then? Write it in the comments if you can get something better, some better shoes for 50 quids, not something better. Okay, so that's it, Flex fam. I see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support lately. It's been very, very nice, and yeah, I see you in the next video. Bye.
I just like the sound.